Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see how much space your drafts on TikTok is taking from your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now just go ahead and click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of the screen or the menu button. So now just go ahead and click on settings and privacy and scroll down until you see the free up space section or option. So just go ahead and click on that. And here, as you can see on the drafts section, you can see that my draft is taking only 0.6 MB. So if you want to free up some space on your phone, you can just go ahead and publish your draft. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.